mthatheni imfakeni esikhwameni nimfundiseni ukuthi isifazane into ephathwa kanjani asesemncane sibakhulisa abasesebancane uyamfundisa umntwana ngoba ngeke siloko sitshela ukuthi umfana umkhulekele kwathini yes uyamkhulekela but nawe as a parent nawe ukhulisa umfana mfundise ukuthi mntwana dila ne-enga mfundisi ukuthi you must walk away learn to walk away maningi amantombazana maningi kundlula abafana la emhlabeni if ufila ngathi you are angered or sekayakudina sekayenza ungambulali mntwanami ukhona next door bakhona ematshwaleni bakhona e-Looking Street bakhona 30 rand e-Looking Street bakhona everywhere bakhona so abafundiswe abafana abaqeqeshwe ukuthi no you must learn to walk away ngeke siloko sitshelwa ukuthi ini umfana abatshelwe abafana as young as they are ukuthi khuluma mntwanami you have a problem mfana wami you talk if you can't talk walk away siyancela bazali asibakhulisi mara kunokuthi kunokuthi basibulale abayelukhini hayi abayeluthenga nge-30 rand
I was shy.
Iqiniso